Let's create our CRM system with following applications: Gmail, Tasks, and Docs. From the Tasks application, with 2 clicks, we can access all emails related to client X. If we click on this link, it takes us to Docs document with all the information about the client. And if we click on this button here, we can get all the emails directly from the Docs document. First, we recommend that you check these 2 videos shown on the screen. Now, let's start building our CRM system in Google Docs. We have created a template in Google Docs for entering data about the client. It looks like this. First, let's make a copy of this document for our client. Go to File, make a copy, change the name of the document to Client X, make a copy. Enter the client's data into the form. Now copy the link of the document. Go to Share, copy link, done. Close the document. Now let's go to the Tasks application. First, find client X. Enter the copied link in the details with Ctrl V. Click on this Client X button to get all emails from that client and copy this link. Now let's go to the Docs document and paste this link on this button here. Select the button, go to Insert, choose Link, paste the link, or Ctrl V. Congratulations, we have integrated all 3 applications. From the Tasks application, with 2 clicks, we can access all emails related to client X. If we click on this link, it takes us to all the information about the client. And if we click on this button, we will get all the emails directly from the Docs document. Want more tricks like this? Click like, subscribe, and write to us.